All right. Now, honestly, you guys, that actually is not the hard part. After a couple problems, you guys will get that. But the hard part is the tricky part that you won't keep in mind is what the percentages of each individual event is. What is the probability of this? This is where most people screw up, actually. Of this happening from this. See, that's what 90% of people will say, but it's actually not 1/2.
243 out of 729.
I don't know what the reduction was, but it's 2 what? 2/3. Okay, you guys, is little a even an option for these guys? Right? So the parents are, remember I told you guys, this is all you need to know. Big A, this is grandma, this is grandpa. These are the possible offspring that they can have. Is this person or this person that?
No.
So this is not an option. So what is the probability of them being big A, little a truly if you know that they're not homozygous recessive? There's only 3 options, and 2 of those 3 options are heterozygous. Does that make sense? Anybody lost with that? Anybody need me to go over it? No? Huh? Yeah, you will get more. Okay, tonight will be actually those problems. That's why I'm introducing it. Okay. All right, everybody got it? Okay, so that's the only little trick. And once you understood that, remember, if you are given something, you guys, let's put it this way. If there are 4 doors, one door is guaranteeing death, one door is guaranteeing life, the other 3 are going to give you death. What is your probability if you don't know to stay alive?
Not pick a box.
No, you have to pick a box. Pick a box, any box. What door? What door? What door do you want to walk through? You're blindfolded, you have to pick a door and you have to walk, and one of those doors, it just continues, the other doors just drop into 10 feet of space. Okay, Zadi, what is your probability of survival? Okay, no. Okay, but now, what if there is a skeleton hanging over here? Right? Now what is your probability if you say, oh, wait a minute, there's that skeleton hanging there going...
Maybe they're trying to confuse you.
Yeah.
If you're trying to...
But you're black.
Why is 4th bad? 4th bad?
It sounds like death.
No, but right before you walk through it, you hear the rattle of the bones. You're like, okay. Alright, you got it.
It could be maracas.
No.
No, I feel like you're making up things just for your answers.
Recessive autosomal disorders. Okay? Recessive autosomal disorders. This is big B because we did pedigree. So recessive autosomal disorders. Heterozygous individuals are called what? Carriers. Alright. And then I want you to know 3 of them. The reason you want to know 3 is oftentimes if it comes up on an AP test. You guys realize the AP test, they just kind of rotate what subjects they test that particular year. It's always a pain in the butt trying to guess which one to really review. You know, those of you guys who've taken AP classes before, it's the same thing. It's like, oh, I know this, but damn it, they asked me this question, right? So it's one of those things where you don't obviously have to know all 3 of the diseases, but it's often handy to remember at least one. Okay? So, but the 3, they've actually talked about it. They remind me of the favorite